Good morning, good morning, good morning. What's going on out there, guys? Desmond here, the Rideshare Whisperer, and I'm here to give you some tips and tricks. I'm here to give you a very fundamental tip, actually, if you're going to be out here doing Uber and Lyft, and you definitely want to be successful and make money at it, guys. And this is one of the biggest tips that, guys, you should know first and foremost. The most successful people, the successful ones that actually go out and do Uber and Lyft, guys, they have come to realize that you should not, Uber and Lyft says, hey, this is a great thing about this opportunity is using this platform to make additional income. You can use your personal car to go out and do Uber and Lyft. Well, guys, that's not necessarily true. And the reason why I'm going to say that is because when you use your personal car for everything for your family, and you're out doing Uber and Lyft, guys, let's just be real about it. The fact of the matter is, if you're out here doing Uber and Lyft, you're trying to make some significant money doing this, you're gonna accrue a lot of miles on your car. So if you're, just imagine this, if you're using that car for your everything, things are gonna wear down, things are gonna break down in that car. And there's nothing worse than you having to need your car for personal use and it broke down from all the extra additional miles you put on it due to the fact that you were doing rideshare. Now, don't get me wrong, I understand that, hey, if you're in a financial situation and you can't afford to do this, I completely get it, guys. But if you can, and this is what some of the most successful Uber and Lyft drivers do, doesn't matter whether you're doing it part-time or full-time, they go out and they purchase a separate car from their personal cars. It's still their personal car, but this car is used just for doing Uber and Lyft. Now, the reason why you want to do that, guys, is because in the event that you're out and your car breaks down. Well, now, if your car breaks down and you're out there doing Uber and Lyft, you can't use your car, you can't use that car to take your family anywhere, for one. Now, here's the other thing. If you get into an accident and while you're out doing Uber and Lyft, now, guys, you're waiting for the insurance company to fix your car. You have no car to drive, because these rideshare insurance policies do not, and don't get me wrong, different states have different situations, but in the state that I live in, which is in South Carolina, they don't allow you to actually get a rideshare insurance policy. So you have to use Uber and Lyft's rideshare policy that they provide, guys. So in the event that you get into a car accident, these insurance companies that Uber and Lyft uses, they don't offer you a rental car. So if you get into an accident, until your car gets fixed, you have no car to drive. Wouldn't it make more sense to have a separate car to go out to utilize and do this, so in the event of something like that does happen, you're still able to move around while the legality of your accident is worked out and you can get your car fixed? Or if your car breaks down. And then on top of that, guys, if you're out there and you're in let's say for instance you have a 8-9-year-old car that's roughly 100,000 miles on it, let's face it, guys, it's going to start to have problems. And if you're using Uber and a Lyft as a way to make some significant income, well, it's like this. Every day that car is not able to move for you, you are not making money doing Uber or Lyft. That's the reality, guys. That is the truth. So if you want to be able to make money every day, you need to have a vehicle that's going to be able to provide that service for you. If you're going to, it's no different than if you went out to drive tractor trailers. If you go out and you purchase a tractor trailer, and if you get a tractor trailer with 300,000 miles on it, the likelihood of you being able to get much great service out of that tractor trailer with 300,000 miles on the odometer on that motor, versus going out buying a brand new or almost a brand new tractor trailer truck and going out and doing it, is slim to none, guys. So the reality is, if you're going to do this, you need to get you a car that's or a car, SUV or whatever, that's going to allow you to be to generate the most money you can. Hence the reason why I was able to do it with $50,000 part-time last year doing Uber and Lyft, is because I went out and I purchased a car And like I said, this Toyota Corolla is a 2016. When I bought it, it had 30,000 miles on it. Right now, it's at 65,000. So yeah, and from the time I bought it, yeah, I put about 60,000 miles on it. I put 30,000 miles on it last year. Even prior to this, the car I was using before this was, I actually had a 2005 Honda Odyssey I was using. That car, and that van, it ran great. I mean, I bought it because I didn't want to use my personal cars, which is my Mercedes and my BMW, to go out and do this. I wanted something separately, so that's why I bought that van. But that van had a lot of miles on it. So I said, you know what? I used it. It did what it did. I made more money than what I paid for it. I said, you know what? If I'm going to actually make money from this, I'm going to go out and get something almost brand new, and that's what I did. And the most successful people that do well with doing rideshare, that's what they do. They go out and they buy, if not a brand new car, something almost brand new with low miles that they can drive, you know, that they can make sure that they are maintaining that car properly so that car can give them as much service as possible. Yes, you will be in debt because you're making payments on a vehicle, but you're always going to be able to make money. Now, people say, well, what if I get deactivated from doing Uber or Lyft? Guys, well, Uber and Lyft is just two platforms that you can do in the gig community to make money that require a vehicle. You have so many other things that you can go out and do, like DoorDash and Bike Squad and yada, yada, yada. So even in the event that you stop doing rideshare and now you have this additional car payment to make, guys, hustle. Go on, you can do Bike Squad or DoorDash or one of these other delivery services just to make the payments on the car. You know, me personally, full time, I'm a day trader and I'm an internet marketer. So this income, if it falls away, I won't starve and I can still make the payments on this car. But my point is, guys, if you want to get the most for your Uber and Lyft experience, don't play around with it. Go out and get a vehicle that's going to allow you to be able to drive and make the money that you want to make, guys. So with that being said, that's my lesson for today. For anybody out there that's currently a Uber or Lyft driver and you would like to see if you can get a bonus because you might have went direct to the website and didn't sign up with anybody else, and you want to see if you can get a bonus, guys, you can just go to the links right below my video. I actually have a link to sign up for Uber and or Lyft and see if you can get your bonus that you should have got retroactive to you. And guys, if you are new to the Uber and Lyft community and you're looking to make some extra income, you can still go to those same links, sign up and partner up with me and get started. And after so many rides, you get an additional bonus from Uber and or Lyft, and you get that money into your pocket, guys. And anyhow, make sure, if you like this video also, guys, make sure you give me a thumbs up. Then also smash that subscribe button on my channel. And last but not least, there's a bell in the bottom right corner of this video, guys. Click on that bell and you will get content of mine directly in your inbox every time I put out new content. Anyhow, guys, this is Desmond, the Rideshare Whisperer, on behalf of the life and times of Desmond, guys. I hope this video brings you much success. Keep making your money doing Uber and Lyft, because I'm definitely gonna do the same thing too. Peace.